Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. On Wednesday, Sagicor Bank Jamaica issued a press release that it has placed the lands under mortgages for the Hambani Estate development owned by First Rock Real Estate Investments into receivership. The estimated outstanding debt is thought to be in excess of $1 million. First Rock Real Estate says it is working to refinance the Sagicor Bank facility, which has now reached maturity. The luxury Hambani Estate project, situated at 1-3 Bamboo Avenue in Kingston 6, is about 90% complete. It features 12 standalone villas designed to appeal to the ultra-wealthy. Out of the 12, one of the units sold for approximately $1.4 million. First Rock Real Estate has since been shifting its focus away from Jamaica to other Caribbean markets in recent times due to the slowdown in the domestic market. It is now focusing on the Cayman Islands and Costa Rica for prospective growth opportunities. Shane Monroe, CEO of MBJ Airports, which operates the Sangster International Airport, tells RJR News that the company will be investing $11 million to overhaul the airport. This will include physical expansion, digital transformation, and rethinking of how the airport will serve travelers. The major projects to be implemented include an expansion of the East Concourse, which will lead to an expansion of the airport's lounge by 1,500 square meters and the addition of 2 new aircraft stands, bringing the total to 21. The Jamaica Social Stock Exchange, JSSE, is on a mission to transform the third economy, which is a profit-driven mandate to use the same profits to build communities. Ms. Nora Blake, manager for the JSSE, is here to tell us more.
Thank you for having me, Denise. And indeed, it's my pleasure to talk about the Jamaica Social Stock Exchange, because many people struggle to understand social stock exchange. They understand stock exchange because that's where you buy and trade in equities. So the Social Stock Exchange was set up to mobilize resources into the social sector, what you refer to as the third economy. So the social sector, people say, what is social sector? You're talking about foundations,
yes,
NGOs, civil society organizations, benevolent societies, cooperatives, social enterprises, in a broad sense. So we were set up to mobilize our resources, and also we are there to help build the capacity of the participants in the sector.
And that's training.
Yes, and we call them social sector organizations, SSOs, because one of the need that the social sector has, which is common to the MSME sector, is the capacity to manage and to hold and to attract financing. So oftentimes you hear they will cry that we just can't get financing, but when you go behind the veil, oftentimes you find that they have the need for governance. They have the need for training in business management, project management, financial training. So we do offer that as a basic part of what we do at the Social Exchange for all our projects.
But you're doing something new.
Yes, so right now we're focusing on the objective of mobilizing resources, because that has been a bit challenging for us in that we have projects on the exchange. We started with 5, 2 have been fully funded and they're off. So we have 3 exciting projects that are on the exchange, but the fact is that it has taken us some time for them to be fully funded. We'd like to see them fully funded, and I'll tell you more about them. And then we have a whole pipeline of applicants, of persons who are interested. So we're focusing now on upping the ante of mobilizing resources.
Thank you so much, Nora. And we're supporting the social economy that covers NGOs, charitable organizations, foundations, people who are doing the work to make this a better country. For the trading period ending June 4, 2025, these are the most actively traded stocks. Toll Road Manager, Trans Jamaican Highway Limited, with 2,401,594 units traded, representing 26.29% of market sales volume. Finance firm Lasco Financial Services Limited with 1,112,181 units traded, representing 12.17% of market sales volume. Investment firm Sagicor Select Funds Limited Financial with 987,752 units traded, representing 10.81% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On June 4, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $58.95 million purchased and US $45.76 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.52 per dollar, selling the US at $160.35 and buying the US at $158.83. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.89 per transaction, with selling at $118.20 and buying at $116.31. The British pound yielded Forex traders $13.75 in profit, with selling at $196.62 and buying at $210.37. For our credit report tip of the day, if you're serious about building a digital business, it's time to align your financial documents, organize your spending, and position your credit to work for you. Lenders, platforms, and partners look for signals of financial readiness, and a clean, well-managed credit profile is one of the strongest signals you can send. When you take strategic action to improve your credit, you unlock access to the funding tools and systems that can power your business from idea to income. Here are some suggestions. Set a 90-day credit improvement goal. Make all payments on time, automate them if you need to. Keep your credit card usage under 30% of the limit. When you are rebuilding something from nothing, and if you're a professional woman over the age of 45, you know that rebuilding wealth with your significant other requires more than budgeting. It means identifying the patterns, beliefs, and habits that shape how you handle money. By understanding your money scripts and your money type, you can stop repeating past mistakes and start creating aligned income streams that support your shared goals. This is your opportunity to take control, plan with purpose, and build multiple streams of income that reflect who you are individually and as a team. Here are some suggestions to take action with your partner. Make a gratitude list of your current resources, big or small. Highlight one past financial success and what mindset helped you achieve it. And then celebrate this week's smallest money win together, maybe even with a toast. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.